Hi guys, today I'm sharpening my personal Spyderco Paramilitary 2 knife. It was given to me as a gift back in 2014 and I use this knife all the time. But what I'm really excited to show you is how amazing the new slide guide works when sharpening this knife. So let's dive into exactly what the new slide guide is and how it works. When you're using the new slide guide, you have 2 points of contact on the knife. This helps keep the knife from pivoting on you while you sharpen, and it makes it easier to hold the knife. When you combine it with a magnetized blade table, it works even better. The magnet keeps the knife from rocking, and the slide guide helps keep the knife from pivoting. I've been playing around with this thing a lot, and I figured out that I can actually sharpen most pocket knives with just one finger on the handle. The slide guide is made from 6061 T6 machined aluminum and has a hard anodized coating to protect it from wear and tear. It has 2 points that reach the edges of the blade table and a centerpiece that adjusts independently, and it locks in to fit all kinds of different blade shapes. So it's important to note that the slide guide is not going to offer an advantage on all knives. As a matter of fact, the traditional guide plate that comes stock with the Edge Pro, this is the more universal of the 2 guide plates. This one is going to work better on large knives that you need to slide across the blade table as you sharpen. But for knives that you plan on just laying in one place and sharpening the full length of the blade without moving the knife, the slide guide does offer a distinct advantage. So if you're sharpening a lot of pocket knives or blades between about 2.5 to 5 inches, the slide guide is definitely something you want to check out.